Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your learning language on Duolingo. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo, open the app, and to change the learning language, you have just to click on the top left of the screen on the flag of the country, because that flag means this is the language that you are learning. And you will find a catalog here of the things that you already started learning. And if you want to add anything, you have to click on this plus icon. And it will give you all the language that you can learn. And you can choose from them. And it depends from your original language. For example, there is courses for English speakers. There is also courses for Arabic speaker, for Bengali, Chinese, Czech, Dutch, etc. You will find a lot of courses here. And you have just to, for example, I will choose Hawaiian. You have to click on it, click continue, and voila, it will give you. So I will tell I'm new to Hawaiian. Start from scratch, click continue, and you will start learning the language that you chose. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.